Hey guys, my name is Andrew Devlin. I'm the CEO and co-founder of a company called PitchHub. I just want to do a quick shout out to Renee and Michael. I've been working with them for, nearly a year now, and they've been constant professionals to work with. They do great work, of course, and then also they're easy to work with. We communicate very well. We work in different countries, so communicating back and forth, and we at PitchHub work on a very tight turnaround time for videos. So these guys are constantly helping me produce content. They give me great advice, and they take direction really well too. So again, highly recommended. And if you've got any questions, just shoot me an email. I'm at andrew.devlin@pitchhub.com. Thanks so much.